Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up uMobix and use it to monitor Android or iPhone devices easily. I've also got a free ebook, Digital Safety Made Simple, that you can download to learn more about keeping your family safe online. The link is in the description below. Let's dive in. First, let's get started with the installation. For Android, you'll need to install the app directly onto the target device. For iPhones, all you need is the iCloud credentials, and you can set it up remotely. Just follow the step-by-step instructions, and it'll be up and running in minutes. Once the app is installed, log into your uMobix account from any browser or mobile device. This will take you to your dashboard, where you'll be able to monitor everything. The device will start syncing automatically, and within minutes, you'll have access to real-time data. From here, you can monitor calls, text messages, social media activity, GPS locations, and more. Now, you can monitor the target device from your dashboard. It's all synced and updated in real time. Everything is easy to view, from call logs to social media activity. It's simple and straightforward. Don't forget, you can try uMobix risk-free with a 7-day free trial by clicking the link in the description below. Plus, get your free ebook, Digital Safety Made Simple, with expert tips on protecting your family online. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Be sure to grab your free ebook and start your uMobix free trial using the link below. See you in the next video.